Well, here's a typical morning at the bird feeder. They come and they go, and they come and they go. All day long. Chickadees and nuthatches, the woodpeckers. Yep, they're fun to watch. I like to come out here just to sit here, and it's nice out. Just to sit here, and there's a nuthatch. They grab whatever they need, and they take off, and they come back. Never ending. And different birds show up. Cardinals and woodpeckers and, you know, as it goes more into winter, more will show up. I feed them a mixture of wild bird food and songbird food and all you name it, it's all mixed in. They just come and they go as they please. Kind of neat watching them out here. Listen to them. Just think. None of them will fight over food. They come, they pick what they want, they flutter off. It's kind of cool. Well, folks, we'll be enjoying this as winter comes. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.